Hey everyone, welcome to InfoCube. Friends, if you give PowerPoint presentation in your school, college or office, or if you have YouTube channel where you have to give PowerPoint presentation, so this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you how you can make attractive presentation using PowerPoint. So without wasting any time, let's start. At first, you have to open PowerPoint. Then go to blank presentation. Whenever you will select blank, it will show this, where these things will be written. So to choose a full blank sheet, click New Slide. Then select blank. Then click on this sheet and press Delete in your keyboard. Now this blank page is selected. Then first click on this line to give a border on your presentation. After giving first line, right click on this line and copy it. And then again right click, then paste. And then place it in a proper way. Then go to Insert and click Word Art and select any font. Then write whatever your title. And place it in the heading. Then go to Home and select this box. Then give the box over the text properly and you will get various design. Select any. Then give proper shape and then right click and send to back. Now select the text and select which suits more. Then again right click and size it. Then again home and select this box and press it. Now choose any attractive color. Then again home and select this box and place it. Then select this straight line again and give partition like this. Then right click on this box, copy it and paste 3 times because you will make 4 options of your question. Then place it in proper way. Then select this box where you will keep the question and copy it and paste. Then select this box and right click and copy, then paste and place those. Then go to Insert and select text box and click in the middle of the box and type the question. Suppose apparent, question number 1. Then select the text and make it bold and give black color. Then size it at 48. Then again text box, then write the options here. Then select it and bold and size 44. Here keep the color unchanged. Then copy the text and paste. Then write options B and continue it up to D. So this portion is ready. You can do question number 2 here in the same process. To save it, just click here. So guys, in this way you can make a question answer presentation and make it look attractive. So guys, this was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you.